All right, so this is a new type of. This is not actual tea or anything. There are actually genre names in here. Okay. And what we're going to do is play a little thing I just came up with just one day. I just thought to make up something.
I'm the first one then.
Yes, you're the first one. This is genre roulette. Even though I don't have a roulette table or anything like that, we're going to use teacups instead. And it's basically prefixes of genres in here, like happy, sad, and then you got stuff in there called like hardcore, trance, but actually half of that's just all donk. So
good.
All right, let's go. Pick one of each.
All right, here we go. So I got you, I got this little boy, and what I have is, oh yeah, I'll throw it up to the camera. Tropical Donk.
Tropical Donk.
We're making tropical
Oh my
Donk.
god. All right, so the rules are.
Yep.
No rules. We're just gonna make tropical donk. That's it.
Make tropical Donk. Okay. So what's a like tropical tempo? It's quite slow, isn't it?
Like 126, 125, not 128. It's a little bit slower. Okay, so it's.
Okay.
You gotta take the best bits of each, and you're gonna need something like. No, that's not gonna work.
Alright.
Like you've listened to Kygo before, right?
Was he the doghouse guy?
What?
Oh, Keizo. Right, no, Kygo, yeah. Yeah, I'm familiar. Fucking plucks and shit, you know?
Yeah,
It's fucking...
yeah. What's that? Look, there's one there called Palm Beach. Right, what does that sound like? That does not sound like... That is not tropical.
That's absolutely not a tropical sound. I know I've got some tropical sounds in here somewhere. Not the hard style, but all my presets have disappeared. Let's get like a plug. Let's get a nice plug going. You know what? Fuck this. Let's go to him. Alright, here we go.
That's not bad.
I quite like that. I might want to get rid of the whatever's causing the roll.
Very tropical.
Let's do the real generic pattern.
That was very tropical.
Let's add like a bass to that. Fire. There we go, it's a nice bass. What else is in Tropical House? I don't really know enough.
Like guitars maybe or something, or steel drums. Steel drums. Nice call there, Tony.
Tony the camera dude. Do I have any steel drums?
There's a couple there already. That's not sound.
These do not sound like steel drums.
Oh, that one. Sounds like it.
Alright then, let's throw that in an assembler.
What's your experience with Donk?
It's kind of like the roots of my sound from the hard house, and it's just fun. You really can't beat a good dog.
Yeah. I'm like vibing this, man.
There you go.
So what you did just there is you put the thing forward a little bit, or
Yeah, just create like a bit of a like. How would you explain that?
I don't know, but
A
like
flam, maybe?
Yeah, it's like you when you're playing piano and then you press the second key slightly later. And,
Yeah, like that. This.
Yeah. So
Whatever the technical term for this is.
it's the piano version of a crab scratch.
Yeah, let's humanize this thing.
Do you use grooves very often, or?
I like it to randomize the notes. Humanize it. Just moves every note, just in a random position.
All right, now let's put a donk on it.
Okay. Okay, let's add my cargo rise. Right. Let's stretch that out, double chime it. Okay, let's add a fake kick.
What's a fake kick?
It's just a kick I like for doing the donkey stuff. It's just called fake.
Quite boxy.
I like boxy. Okay, and then we add
donk. That is amazing. You need to release that.
I should.
Oh.
We can make it more donkey though, I reckon. Let's group that. Let's kickstart. Yeah, it's not quite donkey enough for my liking.
So how do we make it donkier? That's not 4/4, is it? No.
Oh, I mean, if you want to go like full donk.
Yeah, let's go full donk. And you know what? Let's speed it up as well. 140, come on.
I mean, that certainly is a donk. We got a donk. Let's get some. Let's throw some acapella in there or something.
She on my pickle.
Don't know what BPM this vocal is. Let's pull you down because you don't need to be that high up. Complex.
So is this how you do your vocal transposing? Just with the envelopes?
Yeah. Let's pull you in a bit there. Oh.
It's alright.
Yeah, this is really just like pressing things until it sounds good. Yeah, we'll stop with the fucking pitching.
I'm surprised how quickly you're doing this.
It's just pot luck at this point. There we go. Let's add a company build because he's a man.
Fine.
Let's spell it right. Company.
What's company?
Those fucking great drum fills I was talking about earlier. To make it real transient-y. Probably the worst thing I've ever made in all fairness.
We need to make that donkier. That's not.
Yeah, it's a bit smooth sounding.
What is the trick to getting that perfect donk kind of reverse?
The donk, it's honestly just like a frequency modulated sine wave with another sine wave. You can do it in like Serum really easily. Just get two sines, FM one side to the other side, put an envelope on it, because without the envelope it's like this. You know, just really metally. We're missing some low ends. I'm not sold on the vocal though, man. Me neither.
Yes.
Is that tropically
That
donkey
is
enough for
tropical
you?
donk for me. Well,
Cool.
congratulations. You've completed the challenge.
Thank you so much.
First one. Welcome. You've congratulations, and you've accomplished and achieved the genre of tropical donk.
I'm deleting this project like right now.
No, you're not. You sending that to me.
I love the melody.
All right, I'm saving it. It's probably going to be a Dougal and Gammer track.
Done.
Tropical donk. All good. We're done.
And if you guys want to go and learn more about electronic dance music production and more about tropical donk, or maybe not about tropical donk, but we can definitely see if we can help you guys about that, check out pointblankmusicschool.com.
Gucci Gang 420.
I'm not doing it.